Hi guys! Have a blessed day. Look what a beautiful sea nature. Super amazing here. Look, view from my room hotel. Look guys, so amazing. God creation. Wow, super family relaxing. Inside the front hotel guys, pasilip lang konti si Edna vlog. Look, super relaxing. Another family vacation. Super ganda. And Dutch pa here. Wow, thank you hubby. And family picture, me picture moment. Wow. Thank you so much guys for watching and have a blessed day guys, and ingat po lahat guys, and thank you for support always. Thank you mga friends, and God bless us all, and ingat po lahat guys. Thank you so much. And see you later. God bless us all. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you, everyone.